Everybody, good afternoon to all of you. I just wanted to make a quick video. Hopefully, it's quick. I'm just basically, I basically want to express my feelings. Of what have happened to me. And now I'm able to basically able to do something and move forward, and see things. It's kind of horrible to me to think that I never even checked those hidden messages on Instagram, that they were hiding those people. It's just wow. My heart is just like this, tight, from you guys, what you did to me, whoever you are, or whatever you are. You guys are so many. It's like how many of you basically that did that, that I mean, what are you? It's just unbelievable of how I'm treated from these people. Now I see them, you didn't even have no face, they're black and white, they're gone. And I saw them also on my old Facebook, their face are gone because they didn't get me, they were not able to do their lies, their technique, their tactic, whatever it is, using so many things that you guys use, just to put me down, just to put me, bury me. Um, it, wow. It, my heart is this to you, for you guys, for what you've done to me, to try to get me involved with all these things that you guys do or did and done. And I'm just glad and happy for the Lord God to protect me from you guys, from all of you that did so much to try, and even until now, probably you guys are never gonna stop, I don't know. But whatever it is, I told every one of you who I have encountered, and I will not going to basically back up. This is the Queen Regina B. If you don't believe it, I am telling you, when I said I will find you, it means that I will find you. If I said I will find you, it means I need to see you and I need to know who you are. Because what you did to me, to get me involved with so much of those stuff, whoever you are, I don't care if you are an organization, whatever you are. My body and my mouth is not mine anymore. So if you hear what I do, that's who owns me now. And I am telling all of you. Okay? So, that is all what I want to say. It means that you have a chance to stop. Okay? But even though you stop now, hey, Trump already won. That means the president is gonna do what he gotta do, right? That's all. What did I say? So we're just happy, right? We're happy that we have our president. How's that? Bye, buddy.